So we've been talking, Peter, about the material master module. And what's the difference between that and the data governance module for a beginner like me?
Happy to, Jonathan. As we discussed earlier, data governance is that set of processes that ensure that data is timely, consistent, and trustworthy, all the things that people want in their data. So the K-spir data governance module is synchronized with the source ERP system and mirrors the workflow and permissions of that system. So this module allows users to map the spir records or new item requests to existing global masters in their source system. So the K-spir data governance module enables a second level of deduplication as an extra benefit.
Great, thank you. Now, Alakan, can you actually show us how this works, how the magic works?
Yeah, sure. As you can remember in my previous demonstration, we were just making a really easy purchasing decision where after we have deduplicated the spir line from spir documents, we were able to just choose the supplier that has the lowest price. However, this did not take into account any of your existing material masters, and this is what data governance module is for. So in this catalog page, you will be able to see all of your system records, depending on which system you can use. It can be multiple system records like SAP or Maximo. You are able to view all the properties that you want to import from the system. Like, for example, if you were looking at a SAP record, it could be short descriptions, long descriptions, and whatever fields you want. These are all controlled once again by a designated specification for a system record. And if you have a data governance module, then perhaps your purchasing decision is going to look slightly differently. If we go back to the analyze page and have a look again at the pairings we looked at before. So, for example, we can see here, if we take one of these that doesn't have so some of these already have a material master linked to them. But for example, this item, we decided that we want to map it to material master. Or in general, just check if we have an existing one already. So you can see here on the left your spare part details, and you can see that, okay, let's now have a look at, for this 6008, we can see that there is a material master existing in your system for it, and we can simply hit link and add this material master, add this spare line to this material master. And perhaps now, if we're going back to the analysis page, and instead of, for example, if we select pairings again, and so now, for example, instead of editing and saying, okay, I'm going to buy 2 of these, 6 of these, you can actually hit view full material master and then change maybe the reorder point in your material master to say, okay, it becomes 4 now that we're purchasing all of those. Well, instead of actually purchasing all of those, you just change your reorder point in your system.